Question 52. What are the reasons annexed to the second commandment? Answer. The reasons annexed to the second commandment are God's sovereignty over us, his propriety in us, and the zeal he hath to his own worship. The Bible verses referenced for this answer are Psalm 95, verses 2 to 3 and 6 to 7. Verses 2 to 3. Let us come before his presence with thanksgiving, and make a joyful noise unto him with psalms. For the Lord is a great God, and a great King above all gods. Verses 6 to 7. O come, let us worship and bow down, let us kneel before the Lord our Maker. For he is our God, and we are the people of his pasture, and the sheep of his hand. Today, if ye will hear his voice. Psalm 96, verses 9 to 10. O worship the Lord in the beauty of holiness. Fear before him all the earth. Say among the heathen that the Lord reigneth. The world also shall be established, that it shall not be moved. He shall judge the people righteously. Exodus chapter 19, verse 5. Now therefore, if ye will obey my voice indeed, and keep my covenant, then ye shall be a peculiar treasure unto me above all people, for all the earth is mine. Psalm 45, verse 11. So shall the king greatly desire thy beauty, for he is thy Lord, and worship thou him. Isaiah chapter 54, verse 5. For thy Maker is thine husband, the Lord of hosts is his name, and thy Redeemer the Holy One of Israel. The God of the whole earth shall he be called. Exodus chapter 34, verse 14. For thou shalt worship no other God, for the Lord, whose name is jealous, is a jealous God. 1 Corinthians chapter 10, verse 22. Do we provoke the Lord to jealousy? Are we stronger than he?